Hey, Princeton K. Okay, I am back and we are getting ready to do lesson 5 of our homework packet. This is our last lesson for week 1 of this online learning, of distance learning, for our first week of not being at school. We haven't been at school for a while, but of, our school getting all of this set together and getting these homework packets out. So this is the first week of homework that you've been doing at home and me putting YouTube videos up. And I just want to say I'm so proud of you for all of the work that you've been doing and for your parents of getting you guys situated and getting your homework done and doing what you need to do to be successful at home. So give yourselves a pat on the back. I am so proud of you. Kiss your brain. So proud. Okay. We're going to get ready to do lesson 5. I'm going to do a quick say 10 way on our Rec and Rec, and then you're not going to be able to see my face for the rest of the video because we're going to do some stuff where you're going to see some cards and my homework paper. So if you don't see my face, it's okay. You're going to hear me talk, but you're just not going to see my face. Got it? Got it good? Okay, cool. Okay, we're looking at the Rec and Rec. We've seen a Rec and Rec before, but we are going to count to 20. When I get to 10, after that, we're going to count the say 10 way because that is how we've been counting and how we've been looking at our numbers the past week. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10. The whole goal of today is to be able to count to 20 the say 10 way. The say 10 way. Say that with me. The say 10 way. We're counting to 20 the say 10 way. So we're going to try that one more time, but this time when I get to 10, we're just going to count the regular way. That means we're not going to say 10, 1, 10, 2. We're going to count by ones all the way to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, Princeton K. Okay, you're going to see some playing cards. So if you have some playing cards for this next part of the video, please go get them. I would love for you to be able to follow me along and then get your lesson 5 homework sheet. Looks just like this. And then also get your number line, okay? Get your number line because you're also going to need that for the lesson for the rest of the time, okay? I'm not going to see you because you're not going to be able to see my face, but you're going to hear me, okay? See you in a bit, or I'll hear you. You hear me. Got it? Got it good.
Okay, hey Princeton K. So we are back and we are looking at lesson 5. If you can see right up here. We are looking at lesson 5. This is our work for today. So you can see that what we need to do is the instructions say write the numbers that go before and after counting the say 10 way. So this kind of means that we need to put our numbers in order, okay? So our examples here show that we have a before, we have the number that it's given, and then the after. So before and after. We've kind of worked with the word before when we've done some words with our position words that we've done with shapes and stuff like that. So one way that we can work on this is if you use the playing cards like we used in lesson 4. Okay, so remember when I said to use the playing cards? If you have playing cards like this, I want you to get 3 10s out, okay? 3 10s. So do you see how right here we have 3 10s? We have a 10 right here, a 10 right here, and a 10 here for before. We have the number here, and then we have after. So I want you to put 10 here, I want you to put 10 here, and I want you to put 10 here, okay? So now we see here it says 10 and 3, okay? So I want you to look through your cards that you have, and you need to find a 3. Oh, there's my 3. So I'm going to put 10, 3 together. Now here it says 10 and 4. I'm going to look through my cards. Oh, there's 10, 4. And now it says 10 and 5. So, 10, 5 was my first one. Cool. So what I want you to be able to do is I want you to be able to see how if you were to count we know 10, 10, and 10. We know, that these are all the same. We know 10, 10, and 10, those are the same, right? Those are all equal numbers. 10, 10, and 10, those are equal. But we know that 3, 4, and 5, those are not equal, right? 3, 4, and 5 are not equal. But we need to know which number is going to come before the number 4 and which one's going to come after. So we need to know which number is less than 4. That means which one's going to come before. Less is smaller than 4. And which one's going to come after 4? Which one is bigger than 4? Okay. So if I look at 4, I know that it has 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes on it. I look at 3. How many shapes does it have? 1, 2, 3. Is 3, if you look at these two shapes right here, which one has more? Or which one has less, right? Which one has less? 3. 3 has less, so it's going to go before 10 and 4. And then if I look at 10 and 5, or 4 and 5, sorry, which one has more? 5 does, right? So it's going to go after the number 4. Okay, so that's why for these numbers, I'm going to put 5 after 10 and 4. Okay, so I'm going to put these together. And now I'm going to look at the next one. Okay, so I see here that my number that they gave me is 10 and 2. Okay, one thing really quick that I want you to do that's just going to make this super simple is you're going to fill out all of the 10s. All of the 10s, do you see how the 10s go all the way down on this side? You're going to put a 10 going all the way down on this side. It's just going to make it super simple. And you're going to put a 10 going all the way down on this side. However, we don't know what's going to go on this side, and we don't know what's going to go on this side yet, because we need to look at the numbers that are on this side, okay? So it gave us the number 10 and 2. So the other thing that I want you to look at, I want you, because they gave us those numbers, we were able to pull our cards. But now, because we don't know what numbers maybe to pull out yet for our cards, we need to look at the number line that we made. So 10 and 2. It told us 10 and 2. So we need to look at the numbers that come before 10 and 2 and the number that comes after 10 and 2. So do you guys see the number that comes before 10 and 2? The number that will come before 10 and 2 will be going to the left. And the number that's going to come after will be going to the right. So do you see how 10-1 is less or smaller than 10-2? That is what I'm going to put in my spot right here for before 10-2, 10-1. Now I go back to my number line, and now I need to find the number that's going to go after, or that is one bigger, one more than 10-2. What number is that going to be? What do you see here? What is that? It's 10-3. So 10-3 is going to go in my spot after 10-2. Ooh, that's a bad 3. 10-3. So now I can grab my 10s. I have 10, 10, and 10. And then I need 10-3. Let's see. I need to find 10-2. Oh, there's 10-2. And then I need to find 10-1. In a deck of playing cards, there isn't a 1, but there's something. This card's called an ace. And this will be our 1 because it only has a 1 in the middle. So we can see that the 1 is less than 2, and that the 3 is more than 2. Okay, Princeton K, I would love to see you complete the rest of this. I would love to see if you use the cards and your number line. So if you need any help or anything at all, please, parents, feel free to text me. And I will see you later, Princeton K. Awesome job on week 1 of distance learning. I am so proud of you. Keep up the great work. Awesome job.